Roll them. What do even numbers end in? Go ahead, Jonathan. No, Captain, moving to Jonathan.
They end in 2, 4, 6, and 8.
That's 4 of them.
And 10.
And what?
10.
They end in a 10. What does 10 end in?
100.
We've got the number 10. What does 10 end in?
0.
0. So what numbers, or what digits can our numbers end?
0, 2, 4, 6, and 8.
Thank you. Please fill that in. Then on your own, please circle all the numbers that are divisible by 2. Alright. 45. Show me with your head. Is 45 divisible by 2? Skylar, can you explain why not?
Why? Because it doesn't end with
Michaela.
a 0, 2, 4, or 6.
Thank you. What about 1,234? Is that divisible by 2? Show me with your heads. Why is that divisible by 2? Nyla?
It doesn't end with an even number. This is divisible by 2 because it ends with an even number.
Thank you. Is 97 divisible by 2? Show me with your heads. What about 266? Is that divisible by 2? 338. Is this divisible by 2? Should be shaking your head yes. And what about, who can read that last number and then say if it's divisible by 2? Thank you, Logan. Our captain moving to Logan in the center of the room.
1,890,000.
Is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's got a 0 at the end.
Thank you. Questions on divisibility by 2? Is that a question, Jonathan?
No, I was laughing for my joke.
Alright, next we're going to talk about numbers that are divisible by 5. Everyone put up your hands, please. Please roll your 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 500, 200. Alright, who notices a pattern? Jessica, our captain moving in Jessica in the back corner.
I noticed that it's fives in a pattern, like in front of the fives.
why is 28 not divisible by 5? Our Xavier. Our cats are moving to our Xavier in the center of the room.
28 doesn't 28 doesn't isn't divisible by 5 because it doesn't end in a 5 or 0.
Thank you. What does it mean that 330 is divisible by 5? Michaela. Our cats are on Michaela in the back.
Can you repeat the question?
Yes. What does it mean if I say 330 is divisible by 5?
It ends in a 0.
So we can tell if it's divisible by 5 if it ends in a 5 or a 0, but what does it mean if I say 330 is divisible by 5? I'm going to go back to Trey. Trey, what does divisible mean?
It means when you can divide a number or problem, you don't get a remainder at the end.
Thank you. So Michaela, if I say 330 is divisible by 5, what am I saying?
You're saying that you can divide 330 by 5 without getting a remainder.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Next, the tens. Please put your hands up. Roll your tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70.
How can you tell if a number is divisible by 10? Machavis. Our cats are on Machavis in the back corner. So make sure you're sitting up straight and tall. Your cats are on Machavis.
Please repeat it again.
How can you tell if a number is divisible by 10?
When you roll your tens, you will get that number. When you roll your tens, you will get that number.
That's true, but when I'm up in the millions, I'm not going to roll up there. Machavis, here are some of our multiples of 10. What do you notice about all of them?
They end with a 0.
They what?
They end with a 0.
Thank you, sir. Once you have the notes filled in, please circle all of the numbers that are divisible by 10. Alright, which numbers are divisible by 10 and why? Presley, get in the game, please. Go ahead, Blake. And your cats can actually be on your paper to check your answers.
The answers that are given.
The numbers that are divisible by 10.
1,670, 1,800.
Thanks. How would you put that in a complete sentence, Blake? So the question is, which numbers are divisible by 10?
The numbers
Wait for cats.
the,
Tell them.
the numbers that are divisible by 10 is
Are?
1,670, 1,800.
Thank you. Why are those divisible by 10? How do you know?
They end with a 0.
Thank you. And what does it mean if I say that 1,670 is divisible by